तो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने रिलेशन फंक्शन में रिलेशन को पढ़ा था। आज हम फंक्शन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। A relation f from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. In mathematically, we can define a function from set A to set B. Consider as function. Yeah, we can say that the every element in domain in set A, every element in domain set A has exactly one and only one image in set B और एक codomain. Now, what is domain and codomain? In 11th class, we have teach the domain. Now, domain is the set of this from set of all element in set A is called domain, and set of all element in set B is called codomain. For example, this is a set A this is a function, any function from mapping 1 this is a function defined on total number of element in set A is called domain, and total number of element in set B is called codomain. And the total number of element, suppose here is a element A which is not mapped from A. So this is domain and this is codomain. And range, what is range? Those elements are pre-image in domain, means those elements are mapped from a domain is called range. Range here x, y, z. The three element is mapped from a domain element. Then range is केवल x, y and z. This is range. And domain 1, 2, 3. Codomain x, y, z and a. दिस इज। अब हम फंक्शन को कैसे आइडेंटिफिकेशन करेंगे कि ये फंक्शन है और ये फंक्शन नहीं है। सपोज हमारा ए सेट है, इसमें 3 एलिमेंट है और इसमें सपोज 3 एलिमेंट, इसकी मैपिंग इस तरीके से मैप्ड हो रहे हैं। तो यहाँ पे अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन ऑफ फंक्शन, एवरी एलिमेंट इन सेट है A has exactly one image in set B. So it means that every element of set A is mapped and only one image. That this element has one image, this also one image, then it means that this is a function. Similarly, if suppose x, y is mapped this. Now here this element has not image in set B. This element, it means that this is not a function. Not function. This is function. Similarly, 1, 2. Suppose here only x. Here also the 1 and 2 element has the same image, but according to definition every element has only one image. So this element has one image, then this also has one image. मतलब कि प्रत्येक एलिमेंट की मैपिंग होनी चाहिए. Here every element has image, one image, same thing. Suppose 1, 2 and 3, here x, y and z. Suppose this element has 1 and this element has image 2. It may be 3 and but this is not a function. Why? This element has two images. Every element has single image according to definition. So this is not function.